Hey guys, it's Ashley and today we are unboxing Be Kind by Ellen. This is a quarterly subscription. Basically there are 7 eco-friendly, socially conscious items included in this box curated by Ellen DeGeneres and her team. It's $49.95 a season and it has a value of $200+ dollars. I love the box. It's super fall inspired. There's a fruit fly in my room. It's okay, I'll be kind to it. Get it? Anyway, I've literally no idea what's in here. I hope my camera's not shaking too much because I have this propped on some boxes in the thing on my bed and thinking this was probably a really terrible idea. Anyway, whatever. We're gonna find out how it works out in the end of the video. All right, so we're gonna be totally finding out what's in here together. I don't know. Usually I peek. I didn't today. And you open it up, it's super cute. The packaging is really cute. It's kind of heavy too, I'll be honest. All right, so right on top it says fall is upon us. We wanted to share some of our favorite products with you from 7 brands that we love, are bringing us joy, and have also made a conscious decision to do better for the world. Can you tell I had a cold? I'm still recovering, I'm getting over it. So there's that. And then there's this Be Kind magazine, edition 16. So this has now been around for 4 years. It's quite a while. So all the items in here are in the box are listed in this magazine, and I'm guessing they'll include pricing, like the value of the items. I don't know, we'll find out. So first out, I'm gonna, here, I'll show you what it looks like, but we're not gonna mess around too much because it's gonna give it all away anyway. So let's just grab an item, pull it out, and show each other. All right, so this is from Urban Hydration, a lemon and berries micellar cleansing water. So lemons are a natural astringent and detoxifier and help rejuvenate and add acid back luster to dull skin. Our berry blend helps promote a healthy and youthful appearance by plumping, hydrating, and brightening the skin. So this is Urban Hydration. I've never heard of them. I do like micellar waters. I find that they're nice to use before you wash your face, to get all this. It's like when you hold on, dust before you clean, dust before you clean something, so that you get the bigger stuff off and then you get the little stuff. It has a very mild smell. I wouldn't say it's overwhelming. It's very nice, and it seems like it will be very gentle. So that is exciting. I've never heard of the brand either, so I'm excited to try it out. All right, then we have this kitchen tea towel from a brand called Geometry, which is a brand I've never heard of, but I do absolutely love this print. I am not gonna lie. It's like that mauve pink with black. This is actually, so when we moved into our new house, I painted the living room this color called Poetry Pink. I painted the whole house myself. My husband had nothing to do with it. And after it was all done, he walked into the living room. He was like, this is really pink. He was like, I really hate this. I really hate it, he said. So I was like, well, I'm not repainting it because I'm already done. So he was like, well, can I hire someone? I was like, yeah, that's fine. But if you hire somebody, you're going to paint we have a big foyer, it's 20 feet tall. So I was like, if you paint the living room, you're going to get that painted too. So end of the story is I got a lot of stuff painted in my house. But I love that color. And this kind of has the motif I was going to go for was a 90s, pink and black, geometry, and very kind of fun, but also kind of cool, and kind of a very simple, clean look. This is that. And it's so soft. I love it. I love this. It actually does go with my kitchen though, because I have a plum color in there. So that's cool. All right. Getting off track here. All right, then we have, this is from this is from CosRx, who I actually really like them. They make really good products. However, I can't use this product. And if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know I don't use hyaluronic acid. If there's hyaluronic acid in anything I'm using, I know it. like the one ingredient I can't use. It just instantly triggers my rosacea. It's a no for me, dog. But this is the vitamin C23. It's a super vitamin E with a high hyaluronic acid infused in it. So that's unfortunate, but I'll pass it off to a friend because I know tons of people that will use it. All right, then we have some. These are from Color Street Nails. I've actually never used these. You know, they're so popular. There are two different kinds. This is a bronzy kind of color with glitter in it. It's called Sahara Jewel. I'll let you guys know how this goes because I've never really had luck with any of these things. I know you have to use like a hair dryer, and I'm just so like lazy. I'm like, ugh. This is more of like a rosy color. Munich Mulberry it's called. That's really pretty, very pretty for fall. So that's exciting. I will try those out. All right, next up we have, whatever is this? Be Kind Every Day. It's like a stationery set. It's like a week of, so there's, it looks as though it's, oh, it's helping me simplify my day to day. So there's some smudge-free wet erase markers. There's like, I'm guessing this is a dry erase board that you can write down things that you have going on and things that you need to remember. And then on the back, it's like the week for the whole week, which is actually really nice because I'm terrible at remembering the future. So there's that. All right. So how many items are we at now? 1, 4, 5, 6. All right. It's probably our last one. There's something down here too, though. Oh, okay, anyway, whatever. All right, this is from Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Mascara Conditioning Peptide Mascara in Rich Black. 93% said it didn't clump, and 94% saw healthier lashes, so that's exciting. I'm not going to open that yet because once it's opened, it's got a shelf life. You know what I'm saying? All right, so our final item there is, this is from a company called Savvy and Sorted, which I'm actually really excited for this. You've seen these all over TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you go, you see these like, labels for spices. So I don't have any empty spices, but I think I'm gonna have to get some little spice jars because these are 146 white pre-printed minimalist spice jar labels. So they're gonna be very like simple. We're gonna open it because I want to see what they look like. I'm so used to having, remember when I had my blog, I'd have to wait to open things because I didn't want, oh, these are so cool. Oh, I love these. So they are really simple, but they're so neat. And there's one for everything. I love it. Caraway seeds, ahiyote powder, chervil, cloves, garlic salt, herbs de Provence, lemon pepper, mace, marjoram, mint. Oh, girl, they knew what I wanted. How'd they know that? Anyway, all right, so there's that. Savvy and Sorted. What a cool company. I wonder what else they make. I need to know now. All right, so let's see if we can find some prices in the magazine. That's all our items. All right. All right, MC Squares. The value of this is a weekly planner, reusable sticky notes, and mini notepad with smudge-free tacky markers is valued at $34. So that is this guy here. All right. And then the Savvy Sorted labels are $25. Those are super cute. I think that's probably my favorite thing in this whole box. The Geometry Kitchen Tea Towel is valued at $17. Very cute. I love that. There are also coupons in here for each of these brands if you decide that you want to purchase them like more from that brand. The Urban Hydration Micellar Water. It looks like there was different kinds included in other boxes. There's an apple and banana, kiwi and pomegranate, and peach and papaya. I'm actually really happy I got the lemon. I love lemon. So this is valued at $25. Wow, that's expensive. The mascara is valued at $25 as well. The serum is also valued at $25, the one from Cosrx. The Color Street nail packs are $24 through $12 each. And that is that. So let's do a little tally here. So it's at that. This is $175 in items in here for just $49.95, which is a great deal. So in the fall Ellen DeGeneres box, you get the little mini magazine. You get your cutesy labels, which I love. You get your little organization planner kit. You get Color Street nail wraps, 2 packages, mascara, Cosrx serum, kitchen tea towel, micellar water, all in one box. I hope you guys like this video. As always, please like this, give me a comment, let me know you're watching, let me know you like it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys.